Have you been thinking about how you might be able to add another stream of income to your family, something that is flexible, something that has a product line and a mission that are aligned with your core values? Then you're going to be so excited to see what Norwex is offering this month that you can get started with their free Join for Free kit, risk-free. You literally simply cover the $9.99 shipping, and you can open your own consultant account. Now there's 4 options for joining this month, so I want to walk you through each of them so you can decide which is the best fit for you. With all 4 options, you are able to earn for free the standard starter kit, which comes with the mop, of course, one of our most coveted items, the base, the wet, the dry pad, and the handle. It comes with the EnviroCloth, window cloth, and dusting mitt in, I think those are gray, except for the window cloth in purple. And then the 3-pack of the face and body cloth, and the bag, as well as some catalogs and order forms. So with all 4 options I'm going to walk you through, you can earn this for free. Let's start first with our free kit that has been extended into October. Super excited. Thank you, Norwex. So in the free kit, the Join for Free kit, you are going to get samples of the EnviroCloth, window cloth, and face and body cloth, 10 of each, so that as you get started and you want to share with friends and family, you have samples to gift them with. Now this is a very pared down kit. It's free. You simply cover the less than $10 shipping. So if you want to open a Norwex consultant account, but you just want 0 risk and you don't have a lot to invest right now, that would be an amazing option for you for sure. Now the second option, which I love, is our Safe Haven 5 kit. So in the Safe Haven 5 kit, you are going to get the dusting mitt, EnviroCloth, window cloth. Of course, you know this is your everything cloth. You're going to clean virtually every surface with just water. Its best friend, the window cloth, that's going to polish everything to a streak-free shine. And then, of course, the dusting mitt that will change your life on dusting. You don't need to buy dusting sprays. You don't need to buy those disposable dusters anymore. These 3 products are going to save you so much money on the products you don't need to buy anymore, including paper towels, including disinfectant wipes, all the things. Also in the Safe Haven 5 set, you're going to get the powder laundry detergent and the power cleaning paste, okay? So that is the Safe Haven 5 set. Now here in the US, that's $87. That's all you need to pay to get that kit. You're gonna get our top 5 sellers. It's going to also open your Norwex consultant account so you can start earning income if you choose, or enjoying the 35% discount for you, your home. So that's a really great starting place. Again, if you start with either of these and you submit 1,000 in sales in your first 30 days, or should you not meet that, 2,000 in sales in your first 90 days, then Norwex will still give you the starter kit, the standard starter kit, for free. So it's kind of win, win, win with all of these options. And then the third starter kit option is our skincare option. Now, I am obsessed with Norwex's new skincare line. I have seen dramatic improvement in my skin. And I know that for many consultants, they really want to market the skincare, that's their primary thing that they want to run with. So in the starter kit, you're going to get the cleanser, the renewing eye cream, and hydrating moisturizer, as well as this fabulous plush face and body cloth, and the travel bag to carry your skincare in. So this one here is another option for you. And then, so there's our 4 options. If you choose to get started with the standard starter kit right away, that is an option. You pay less than $10 for shipping. They're gonna ship you the full starter kit, and they're gonna give you those same 2 options to earn it for free, either 1,000 in retail sales submitted in your first 30 days, or 2,000 in retail sales submitted in your first 90 days. And yes, that also includes your own personal purchases, yay. So This is great. Now, if you start with the standard kit and you're like, of course, I'm going to jump in, I'm going to do demos, and you're pretty confident you can earn it for free, one of those two ways, that's awesome. If you should not meet one of those two, then in 90 days, Norwex will charge you the $200 for the kit, which is worth more than that. So again, whichever of the 4 options you start with, it's kind of a no-brainer. And then you are getting to open up your own consultant account. So again, in October, you can start with the samples only, free. You just cover the less than $10 shipping. I think it's $9.99 or something. You can choose the Safe Haven 5 set, and that comes with our top 5 sellers, or you can choose the skincare set, or you can get started with the standard starter kit, which means you'll want to earn that for free, or you will be charged $200 in 90 days. So whichever of those is the best fit, I think they're great options. All right, I wanted to walk you through a few things while you're joining. So if you are signing up with me as your sponsor and mentor, then you'll just go to my joining link, which is www.joinwithsonya.com. That is Sonya. Joinwithsonya.com is my personal joining link. Now, if you are working with another consultant, you'll want to check in with them to get their joining link. When you get to the sign up process, if you already have a Norwex customer account, it is going to identify that email, have you sign in, it'll send you an email. Just follow the process and you can then sign up for the consultant account. You'll follow through the whole process. While you're in the process, you're going to find a few things. Number 1, you will choose which of the 4 kits you want to get started with, remembering that Join for Free, Safe Haven 5, and skincare kits there's no required sales. Like, you either get it for free, you pay the upfront amount, but you're not required to necessarily do the 1,000 in 30 days or 2,000 in 90 days. However, should you meet one of those 2 goals, Norwex will still give you at that point the standard starter kit. You just go into your back office, submit, and they'll ship it to you. All right, so that's kind of awesome. If you want to jump in, you want to get your hands on that mop right away, you do not want to wait to earn it, then you can choose the standard kit option where they ship it up front, and then you meet one of those 2 goals, or you pay $200. So as you're picking your kit, you want to just pick the one that's right for you. Also in the process, it's going to ask you about Office Suite, free for 90 days. I highly recommend you do take this free for 90 days. I always guide my new people to put in their calendar about 80 days, 75 days out, to put a reminder for themselves, however you do reminders, and say, hey, am I using the Office Suite? You can always log into your consultant back office and turn it off, but you can't go back and get the free 90 days. What does this do for you? So as a consultant, you can always order from your consultant back office. But when you do the Office Suite, what that allows you to do is create a shopping link that you can text to a friend, text to a family member, where they can purchase through your website or join your team through your website. So that is the Office Suite subscription. It's normally $9.99 per month, worth every penny. I cannot imagine running my business without it. But for sure, I really highly recommend the 90 days free, and just set yourself a reminder if you want to go turn that off after the free period. Totally up to you. All right. So then you're also going to have the opportunity to do an upgrade package. Now these you pay for at the time of sign up. It is a one-time opportunity to not only get your consultant 35% off, but also get 10% off those upgrade packages. So it's just a really great way to get our top sellers, easy button, and even additional savings. So the upgrade packages, you can choose the skincare upgrade package. Love that, especially if you're doing the skincare kit. It makes sense to fill out the rest of the system with the upgrade if you choose. And then there's silver, gold, platinum options. Most of my new team members choose the gold. That is hands down the most popular. What's cool about that is it's going to count as over 400 in retail sales toward earning your starter kit for free, right? So that's awesome. And it is also going to earn you Bright Start Step 1, where Norwex is going to gift you $150 worth of Norwex products. Again, these are some of my favorite products, and you get them free when you meet that first Bright Start Step 1, which is submitting 400 in sales in your first 15 days, which the Gold Kit Builder automatically achieves, okay? So that's just an easy button to get more of the products in your home and also scoop up more free Norwex. And I usually recommend you do opt in for text messages. You'll get texts from Norwex. And if you're joining with me as your sponsor, you'll also get some communication from me as well. But I love that with the text updates from Norwex, then you kind of can stay in tune with when they're running a special and things like that. It's up to you if you want to opt in for those or not, but I usually say it's helpful, especially in those first 90 days. I stay opted in always, okay? Those are the main things you're gonna need as you sign up, and this is going to then open up your consultant ID number. One more thing I need you to watch for is at the close of the sign up process, it's going to confirm, it's gonna say, are you signing up with, let's say you're signing up with me, it'll say, we've got you signing up with Sonya Eckel as your sponsor, is this correct? And then you just hit confirm. So that is just to make sure, you know, everybody's like, yep, this is exactly where I'm supposed to be. All right, that is kind of the nuts and bolts of getting started. And for me, I will just say that Norwex has been a huge blessing. I just celebrated my 15th year as a Norwex consultant and as a top leader in the company. And it truly is my joy to get to help others also earn money for their family, if that's your goal, or to get more Norwex into your home at a discount if that's your goal. So thank you so much. If this is helpful, be sure you hit the subscribe, the follow, the little notification thing, all the things so we can stay in touch. And reach out. If you're working with me directly, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll throw my number for you in the comments. You can text me there. Or if you're working with another consultant, they'll be able to help you as well. All right, have a wonderful month, and we will see you soon.